This is a battery replacement on a Radio Shack calculator, model EC4031. We have to remove 6 screws from the underside of the calculator. Now gently pry apart with your hands. I removed the battery previously and wrote down the type of battery on this little piece of paper. The original battery was a GR927. I couldn't find this replacement battery, so I found another one called SR927SW, which should be a suitable replacement for the original. Now I'm going to place the battery negative side down in the battery holder. Now press the 2 sides together firmly. Now it's time to take the screws and put them back in the calculator. Place the calculator back in its protective sleeve, and that's it, we're done. This calculator is a real survivor. 20 years in a damp, dirty shed, and all it needs is a battery replacement and it works just fine. With the exception of some glue, you can see there is some cosmetic damage. But besides that, it's perfectly operational.